Time to cook some shit.
Let's get it.
You ready?
Yes, sir.
Potatoes peeled, boiling up.
Oh, time for Sakiboi to put in bare work. Oh
you
my
ready?
God. Wait till you see all the shit I do, bro.
Yo,
like,
where's the chef hat at?
Good. This needs more water, sir.
More water?
Yes. Don't worry.
I didn't want to. I didn't know if it was too much.
Yeah, because it's gonna go over top.
Okay, let me grab my tripod. Jakeyboi, perfect. Jakeyboi, Sakiboi, cooking.
Cooking chef and Ting.
It takes a minute to heat up. This is a fast heater too. Like mine is the electric, so it takes forever.
So it was mine's gas at home.
But this is the craziest one, cause it's like a newer gas one.
Okay, so can you? I'll get all this going.
What do I do?
You can just. I need another pot. I need another pan, so you can put the ground beef in and get going with the ground beef. Another thing you can do is cut the onions, but there's only one cutting board, so I'll have to do that. No, never mind.
I've never tried cutting an onion.
I cry because I don't care.
Bitch.
I don't care though. It doesn't bother me to do it. What I'm gonna start doing is I'm just gonna start washing shit because we're gonna need this.
Am I putting the ground? Am I cooking this yet? Not yet.
Nah, we can cook. We have to cook it twice.
Cut the onions and garlic first.
Yeah, but also I want you to put noodles in here and boil up some noodles. Cook the ground beef. After the ground beef, we're gonna cook the chicken. But the chicken needs a bunch of seasoning. There's a lot of skillets.
Oh, they're over here.
Holy shit, what's that one? That's an Omega skillet.
Triple threat?
That's a banger in the middle.
No way.
Yeah.
You get 5 things? I guess you have like a skinny thing going on.
Okay, so only yeah, put the noodles in there. Only one. Only one
at a time, yeah.
Yeah, because we don't have enough room in the fridge. And then we're gonna need another
We should just like one type first, do you think?
Yeah, one bag. Because we're gonna go through that bag.
Oh, dude. Let's do this one first.
I don't know if we can cook all of this. That might be too much chicken. So I'm gonna go 2 full ones and put it back. I'm gonna go 2 full ones and put it back. That's too big. Maybe I'll go 3 chicken breasts.
Huge, bro.
I'll go 3 and then save 1.
Bro, left the fridge open.
Yeah, I do that sometimes. Okay, so ground beef, and then we need this pot for the rice. So I'm gonna rinse this one too. And then we need another pot for the ground beef.
What? Oh! What can we do with that?
I don't know, but that's sick.
Chicken? What about the chicken?
Oh no, it can't. The chicken has to go in a
oven?
Big bowl that we don't have. And now I'm just washing the spatulas, cleaning all. Impossible not to cry when you cut onions. Unless you don't breathe through your nose.
Watch, buddy. I ain't cried to no one.
I used to, I said that too when I first started cooking with Indiana.
I don't cry, boy. No, kidding.
When I was with Indiana, I'm like, yeah, I never cry. Bro, you're gonna fucking cry, guarantee.
How do I cut it in half?
Just cut it tiny. They need to be so tiny.
I know, but how do I start it?
Sideways. Like that.
Like this?
Yeah, you just go like that, yeah. You can cut it, go like that, yeah. If you want. It's any way, to be honest. And then lay it flat. Lay it on its belly like that, yeah, and go like that.
Oh, just keep going in half and then dice it?
Yep, so it's tiny. And then that's gonna go in everything. That's gonna go in the chicken, the ground beef, all the stuff. Killing you, look at you.
What the fuck is going on?
I told you it's brutal. It hurts. It's because you breathe in through your nose, so it gets your sinuses.
Or are you sure? Or is it the juice going in your eyes?
No, it doesn't even have nothing to do with your eyes. Like all the pain does, but it's because you breathe it in your nose. If you don't breathe through your nose, it's a lot easier. But you have to start doing it. If you breathe through your nose, the first 5 minutes, it's over. You're dead. Like you have to go over there, starting without breathing through your nose.
Garlic, baby.
One thing about living with people that...
You put in the beef?
No. We're gonna need that for the chicken. Okay. Tell them how that's the biggest chicken breast we've ever seen and that the steroids...
I think they heard all that, bro.
There's steroids in that.
I gotta change the battery, boys. Hold up.
There's steroids in there, bro. This might need even more than what I put in. This is the best one.
You got those chicken skills genetically. Perfectly seasoned.
All genetics. Oh, this is all genetics, bro. No hard work.
Max, I usually put like 3 or 4 seasonings.
What?
Yeah, I didn't know about all these. I mean, I guess you could. I just didn't know what was for what.
Like which ones to
I
use?
knew like garlic, salt, onion salt, garlic powder, paprika. That's like my main, and then salt.
When I started going to the grocery store by myself, is when I realized.
Yeah, I guess I
started to see, and I'm like, oh, I wonder what this tastes like. I wonder what that tastes like.
Yeah.
Cause I did this for 3 months straight, like once a week.
I gotta do this.
Yeah, it's just crazy. Okay, so now
I'll probably do the same fucking
recipes.
Yeah.
That's easy.
Now I know how to do it.
Yeah, super easy.
And I like chicken. I like beef.
See that one?
Oh yeah.
Those gotta be all gone. It gotta be all cooked.
Continue.
On the outside. Yeah. Then my mom, she wouldn't really cook like
a lot.
All that. She would cook, but she wouldn't buy snacks. Like I didn't have a house full of cookies and granola bars and shit. She would just cook food. Yeah. So like I had to eat granola bars at other people's house. So I was just chilling and I'm like, what would be good to eat right now? I'm like, what would be good? And then I'm thinking to myself, oh, a banana. I got bananas. And I'm like, oh, I could make like a banana with sugar. I'll put banana and sugar. That would be so delicious. Or maybe banana and peanut butter. So I went downstairs, grabbed some banana and peanut butter. Some peanut butter and a little thing, banana, and then some sugar.
Yeah.
And then I went upstairs, threw on a little show, and I was sitting, I was eating. So I dipped the banana inside the. So I had sugar and peanut butter, and I dipped the banana inside the peanut butter, and I'm like, so good, so good, so good. Then I went and I dipped it in the sugar, and then I was like, took a big bite, swallow, and I'm like. And fuck, bro, I was like, no, it was just like everywhere, like, and I'm like,
you threw up?
Yeah, it was burning my mouth because I put salt instead of sugar. so I ate a salt banana. I was like,
that's fucked.
I was like, oh, it was the nastiest shit of my life, bro. Because I took because the peanut butter was so good that I was like this.
And you just like ate it like you thought it was sugar.
Yeah, I was like waiting to taste it, and it was like burning. I had so much salt that it burned my mouth. And I was like, my mom's like, oh, what the fuck's wrong? And I'm like, oh man, I was scarred. I never ate a banana for so long after that.
I want to try that banana Sprite shit, see if it's legit.
What's that?
You eat a whole banana and you chug Sprite, and you're supposed to throw up. There's no way.
Oh, there's a way. There's definitely a way. I've never seen that. I know you can throw up.
I should have tricked you.
I know you can throw. Bro, I would have known.
We'll cut to when we're fully done.
Yeah, because there's still a lot of time. You should show where we're at.
Yeah, I will. Let me go around. Whole bunch of seasoning, some potato or mushrooms, pasta, mashed potatoes. Coming through.
Ooh, oh.
Chicken, ground beef. Yamasaki. Watch out.
That's almost done. That needs about like 5 more minutes. That's
cut
done.
back to when all the meals are done and in the containers. Or actually when we're putting them in the containers.
Yeah, because we won't have many containers. We're doing it the different way.
Boom, prepped up, baby. Ate shepherd pie, spaghetti sauce, chicken shit. Okay, stop. Oh, too much.